Alright, I just want to do some update video on Lyndhurst. So, you can tell some of the blades are warped. So, yeah, I'm just doing an update on the Lyndhurst since I have the light bulbs in. However, some people may disagree about that. So, we're going to start off with light. For the light bulbs won't turn on, so you have to push it all the way up that instant until it turns on for some reason. Starting off with low. So I'm alone now. I'm gonna just do a video of it. Whatever, so go easy on me. Medium. I got this back in May 25th, 2016 and installed it on May 25th, 26th. Yeah. Now for high speed. Not too bad for me. However, I wish I had a quorum dragonfly in here. Wobbles a lot. So shut it off, get it on to the fan, and reverse it. So this time we can still light. Oh, okay. Sometimes the light won't turn on, so it was low in first. Medium. High. Well, whatever. I guess I'll turn it down. Medium first, light. So now, yeah, whatever. Now shut them all off, and we're going to do factory speeds. Okay. So this time we're going to do factory speeds. Okay, sometimes I have to pull the chain because the light won't turn on. Here's low. So medium. Now for high. Now I'll shut it off. I'll go and reverse it. Here it is, low in reverse. However, I wish I had a quorum dragonfly in the house. That's the only thing I really want. Medium. Now for high. Some people will disagree about the light bulbs, and I might try to find some bulbs. But honestly, my and time to turn it off. Yes, glass hardware is not original. It came off in my hand-based state Claire. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day. Sorry if I didn't kind of upload videos for a while, but you will still comment on the videos.